Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're checking out an amazing budget-friendly powerhouse, the Acer Nitro 5 gaming laptop. And before we jump in, don't forget to hit the link down below to grab yours today at the best discounted price. Fire emoji, design and build. The Acer Nitro 5 has that classic gaming laptop look with sharp edges, a bold design, and customizable RGB keyboard lighting. It's built solid, with a 15.6-inch Full HD 144Hz IPS display that delivers smooth, vibrant visuals, perfect for competitive gaming and immersive single-player titles. High-voltage sign emoji, performance. Under the hood, this laptop packs the Intel Core i5-12500H, a 12-core processor that balances gaming power with multitasking efficiency. Paired with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050T laptop GPU, you're getting solid performance at 1080p high settings. Expect smooth gameplay in eSports titles like Fortnite, Valorant, and Apex Legends, as well as strong performance in modern AAA games. Brain emoji, memory and storage. The Nitro 5 comes with 16GB of DDR4 RAM, giving you reliable multitasking for gaming, streaming, and light content creation. Storage-wise, you've got a fast SSD, so boot times and game load times are quick and responsive. Cyclone emoji, cooling and features. Cooling is handled by Acer's NitroSense system, which lets you monitor temps and fan speeds easily. The dual-fan cooling design keeps performance consistent even during longer gaming sessions. You'll also find plenty of ports for accessories, fast Wi-Fi, and strong battery optimization for gaming on the go. Video game emoji, gaming experience. This is a laptop built for gamers who want smooth 144Hz performance at 1080p without breaking the bank. It's also portable enough to take anywhere, whether that's school, work, or LAN parties. White check mark emoji, final verdict. The Acer Nitro 5 gaming laptop is one of the best value picks right now. With its powerful Intel CPU, RTX graphics, high refresh display, and solid cooling, it's the perfect entry-level to mid-range gaming laptop that delivers where it counts. Right pointing finger emoji, don't forget to check the link below to grab it today at the best deal available.